And example 17 is looking at finding the exact area of the shaded region. So the region that's shaded is the orange region, and one of the keywords we've got here is exact. So the exact just means we want a fraction or a third. We just don't want a rounded decimal, pretty much. Because the region that we're looking at here is half above the x-axis and half below the x-axis, we are going to have to do this in two separate integrals. It is going to be very algebra heavy, so there's lots of room for us to make really small errors here. Alright, we're going to start with just that negative region, so the region that's below the x-axis. So we are between 1 and 2. I'm going to put a negative sign out the front so that that region becomes positive when we actually calculate it, and it's x squared minus 4 as a function. I then also do the second region, so between 2 and 4 of x squared minus 4 as well. Do the integration for each of these, so the integration is the same but we're going to have different intervals. And then we've got to substitute in each of these separately. So this is why it becomes really algebra heavy. It's just there's lots of substitution for us to deal with. Substituting in the 4, and we're going to subtract the substitution of the 2. Then when we simplify this down, we'll get negative, still in a square bracket, 8 thirds minus 8, and then minus 1/3 minus 4. Plus, in a bracket again, 64 thirds minus 16, then minus 8 thirds minus 8. Notice all my brackets. Keep the brackets until you can get rid of them. They will make sure you don't make a mistake. So I get negative 16 on 3 minus negative 11 on 3, 16 on 3 minus negative 16 on 3. So again, simplifying each of these brackets, I get negative 5 thirds plus 32 thirds, giving us 37 thirds in total. Note that those brackets the entire way through are really important. Move between square and curved brackets. It'll make life easier. Otherwise, it's really difficult to see if something is, I suppose, closed or open. So all the way through here, the brackets are really, really important.